$2,999. 3,000. What's going on, everyone? My name's Kyle. I just shotgunned 3 monsters and did 3,000 bicep curls with perfect form. Now I'm ready to put on my cheap $97 traction bar on my turd pile Civic that I got shipped to my door in one day from Amazon. Link is in the description below. Let's get started. Alright, so initial thoughts on these. The heim joint and rods are super light. They're all aluminum except for the eyelets on the heim joints. So I don't know how sturdy that'll be. These brackets right here that go onto the control arm are super beefy for a $97 traction bar. Traction bar itself, everything looks fine. The only issue I really see is with the welds. I'm not an expert in welding by any means, but they only weld the pipe on one side. The other side's not welded at all, and same with these brackets. So what I'm going to do is wire wheel this down. I have a MIG welder, and I'm going to weld up both sides on everything, just for peace of mind. It probably doesn't need it, but like I said, it makes me feel good. Okay, I just want to note that I am not, by any means, a professional welder, or even a good amateur welder. Also didn't grind all the paint off, because didn't really need to. I'm not looking for like structural integrity grade welds here, just something a little more than what was already on it. Alright, while the traction bar is drying, we can go ahead and get these tow hooks off. This is where the traction bar is going to mount to. These 3 bolts on both sides. They're 14 millimeters. Take them off and throw the traction bar up here. Traction bar is on. I know a lot of people have a problem with the bolts backing out. I guess just due to vibration or whatever. And then they end up tightening them down super hard and then stripping the threads out, and then they're kind of in a bad spot. So probably what I'll do if I have any issues with them backing out, one, use Loctite. I'll probably just weld a tack like all the way down, and that way if I need to take it off, it's just a little Dremel grind to get it off, but that way it can't back out. So that's my game plan. Let's put the control arm brackets on now. Alright, bracket is in place. You just take that 17 mil bolt, 17 mil nut off, and then reinstall it back underneath it with the joint, with the spots for the heim furthest outward of the car. We can install the heims now. Alright, it's a little windy out here now, but I got the first heim joint in and we have a problem. It is too long, so we need to be able to take this slack out of it. This is all the way in right here. Slack, wiggle it all over. So I'm gonna pull this out and maybe cut down to like here, and or maybe both sides. I don't know. We'll see. But I also have to make it a little bit shorter. So no big deal. All right, this side is done. I just had to cut this one a little bit shorter. Basically, you just pulling the control arm to the traction bar until there's just a bit of tension on there. You're not trying to like crank it forward or anything. Just by hand is all it needs, and then just tighten your jam nuts down really well. Good to go. They're both on there. Install's done. I'm gonna change the driver's side tie rod and then I'll do some driving. Alright, so I just changed the tie rod in like literally 5 minutes. Probably the fastest tie rod change I've ever done, but it's starting to rain now, so hold off on the driving till hopefully it'll dry up tomorrow. We can drive it and I'll give you guys a review. They're dry, let's go test out the traction bar. It's like 37 degrees, so give you guys a little cold start. Not too bad. Alright, so as you guys saw there, went out and did some pulls. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. I think it made a pretty sizable difference. There's no wheel hop at all anymore. It kind of just feels like even though the car's still spinning, it's pulling forward as it's spinning, whereas before it just felt like it would spin and then that was it. So, if you liked the video, subscribe, hit the like button. Peace.